up? Do you know where my notebook is?
I think it's on the table.
Oh, really? Oh, there it is. Yes, it's on the table. Thank you. Oh, yeah, and my headphones. Where did I put them?
Check your bag. They might be in the bag.
Oh, okay. Oh, thank you so much. It was in the bag. Um, I'm also looking for my charger.
It should be under the chair.
Oh, really? Thank you. Yes, it's under the chair. And my ring light, I just had it. Where could it be?
It's probably next to your laptop.
Oh, true. It's next to my laptop. Silly me. Thank you so much. I think I need to stop losing things. But at least now we know on, in, under, and next to.
And maybe you need a tracking device.
Please.